Just a quick video to show you how to get the Thunder AC680 charger working with the battery monitor software, because it took me a little bit to get going through some tips I found out there in a couple different places. So first things first, you've already downloaded the driver, you've installed the driver as I showed in the prior two pictures, and then really what we're going to do is we've got the USB cable that comes with it, right? The double-sided USB cable, and you've got the little other adapter. Looks like a transmitter adapter plus this little USB connector on the end of it. And so all we're going to do is first we're going to plug that into the left side where it says external temp /USB. And then we've got to set the settings on here on the timer, on the battery charger itself. Scroll through the settings and to user set program, and then enter. And then we're going to scroll back into the proper setting right here where it says USB /temp select. You can see the default is temp cutoff, and just hit enter and then scroll, and now USB is enabled. Very simply hit enter, and now we can get out of here. Now once that's functional, we can now connect the USB, the little adapter, and then we simply plug it in to one of our USB slots, which everybody should be familiar with. And now we'll see that the adapter powers up. And since we've already installed the driver on, this is a Windows 7 machine, you can see that now we've downloaded and installed the driver, and now when I plug that in, this popped up over here. So that's the first part, just getting the driver, getting it functioning. So now the second part is starting up the monitor software, which we've already installed. And I found this a little tricky and a little kludgy. And so instead of selecting here, even though I know it's COM8 and I can see that on my device, it would keep deleting it. So I just type in COM8 and then hit connect. And I get rid of the external temperature sensor, which isn't going to function right now with the AC680. And I've got all my current, voltage, and capacity gauges up there. And now I'm simply going to demonstrate, simply come back to the charger, and I've already got a 3000 milliamp battery connected, which was just charged before. I've got my settings set, and I'm just going to start this puppy up by holding the start button, and you'll see amperage go up, voltage, and you'll see the milliamps increase in the lower right hand corner in the timer. And now we'll come back over to the screen and see that this is now started up, and we've got real-time data as well as a graph data, and this will adjust the different legends, you know, and as far as how it's watching current, etc. And so it's as simple as that. Once this finishes, you can simply export the data or snap a picture of it, whatever you want, and save it for future use. And so pretty functional software. Has some bugs, sometimes it'll crap out on you, but you can see all the different information displayed in text as well as in the graph form, which is pretty good when you want to watch and keep track of discharge rates, etc. Thanks.